I'm going to show you how to make Lao crispy pork belly. It is very easy to make with few ingredients. In Laos, a meat dish is always enjoyed with sticky rice, khao niao, vegetables, and a spicy dipping sauce called tiéo. I also show you how to prepare them. Choose a piece of pork belly that is not too fat. Cut it into slices of ½ inch thick. Keep the skin, as it gives a good taste. You can remove it if you prefer. Put them in a mixing bowl, then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of ground pepper, 1½ tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. The sugar balances the saltiness and makes the meat golden when frying. Heat the frying oil. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add it to the meat and mix. Fry it in 2 batches. The oil is hot at 340 degrees. Put in half of the meat to keep the temperature. Add the pieces one by one. Briefly stir to prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Let cook for 2 minutes over medium-high heat. Take them out and place them on the rack. Do the same with the other half. Take them out and let the pieces rest for 5 minutes. This break allows the temperature of the meat to drop and the moisture in the outer layer to evaporate. For the second frying, put all the pieces together in the oil at 340 degrees. Briefly stir and let brown for 2 minutes over high heat. Thanks to these 2 fryings, the pieces don't become too dry and they are very crispy. The Lao crispy pork belly thot mu is ready. Enjoy it with vegetables. Here, blanch the water spinach for 2 minutes and let them drain. Cut 1 cucumber into pieces and a bitter melon. It has many health beneficial properties. With a dipping sauce, it is delicious. I show you 2 dipping sauces. First, tiéo nam pa. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of toasted sticky rice powder, and a little spring onion. Mix and tiéo nam pa is ready. In general, everyone likes it. I show you another one called tiéo kapi that Laotian people love. It is spicy and flavored with shrimp paste. In a mortar, put 2 chopped hot chilies, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of shrimp paste. It is rich in umami. A pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, crush. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix. Tiéo kapi is ready. No Lao meal is complete without sticky rice. We keep it warm in baskets called katip khao niao. You can watch my video to learn how to cook sticky rice. Sunset. Bon appétit! The pork belly is delicious. We eat the meal Laotian style, using our fingers. We put a piece of meat in our mouth. We complete the mouthful with a little sticky rice. We can dip the pork, the rice, the vegetables in one of the tasty spicy sauces. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.